Yes kicks, yes kicks, yes kicks. We have another unboxing today. What do we have here? Halloween dunks, Halloween dunks. Trying to get a light, not getting no reflective. They alright, but they is not what the picture. This is not the shoe the picture portrayed on the website. Good quality. These was authentic Nike dunks. The shoe is beautiful. The detail is nowhere.
Well, it has been 1 week since the shooting.
Very beautiful shoe. Don't know what to think about it. This is a Yeskicks pickup. Like I said, authentic. 2 snaps.
The student who was shot has been released from the hospital. The student accused of
San Diego Chargers.
Those two families actually came together on Tuesday to pray for one another.
Tennessee Titan.
Father continues to call for understanding.
Halloween 2021 Nike dunks. Got the spider in the inside, size 9. Shipping was kind of fast.
Now, it was the victim's father who actually initiated that meeting Tuesday night. Shelby County School Superintendent.
Don't know what to think about them. They alright.
Was there for support.
Just, I thought it was supposed to glow. That was my main reason of buying the shoe. I was just trying some dunks because I'm not a dunk guy, but I thought this would be my best creation try of trying to like something. Like I said, the shoe's perfect. You just get up with Yeskicks and they'll hook you up. Just know what you're going for. And snapbacks, yes, I do love the snapbacks. Everything, the hat is perfect. No flaws on the hat. See, the snap came back good shape. Everything on point with the snap. I ain't got no problem with the snaps. Like I said, once again, Nike SB dunks. Halloween. I should have went with the mommy, because I thought these was going to be a whole lot better than what it came out to be. Signing on out, C-Dot.
So here's a live look from our T-Dot Smart Way Cam. It's still pretty early, so you can still head in this direction. Just use